produced by the oxidation of fats, oils in food. And when oxidation of fats and oil in food takes place, then it gives unpleasant smell and taste, and this is known as rancidity. And how we can protect our food from rancidity? Obviously, for protection we have to protect our food from oxidation. If we protect our food from oxidation, then obviously we can protect our food from rancidity. Okay, how we can protect our food from oxidation? By using antioxidant. If we use antioxidant, then obviously we can protect our food from oxidation. And what are these antioxidants? These antioxidants may be which does not allow the process of oxidation to take place in the food. For example, BHA, and next one is BHT. BHA and BHT, it is butylated hydroxyanizole. Butylated hydroxyanizole, and BHT is butylated hydroxytoluene. These two are the most common antioxidants used to prevent our food from rancidity. And now next, by packed our food in nitrogen gas, because nitrogen gas is also a very good antioxidant which protect our food from rancidity. In the presence of nitrogen, oxygen does not come in contact with food and it prevents our food from oxidation. Third is by keep our food in refrigerator. By keep our food in airtight container. These are the common preventive measures which must known by each and everyone. And by storing food away from light. Now this is all about corrosion and rancidity. Again there is a summary. Of all these two topics. Okay, firstly, what is corrosion? Corrosion is the damaging effect of oxidation on metal, and rancidity is the damaging effect of oxidation on food. Okay, and in case of corrosion, when oxidation reaction takes place with metal, then it is corrosion, and when oxidation reaction takes place with food, then it is rancidity. So we can protect our food as well as our metal from oxidation with the help of some preventive measures. There are some conditions for corrosion as well as rancidity. Oxygen must be there. If we cut out the supply of oxygen, then there is no possibility of corrosion as well as rancidity. So with the help of all these lectures, all these topics or preventive measures for corrosion as well as rancidity, and must learn all these substances, or you can say that chemicals which are formed after oxidation of aluminium, copper, silver and iron also. Okay, you can solve all the problems based on corrosion and rancidity for 10th class. Thank you so much.